How to enable or disable Bixby Vision Object Identifier on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Vision Enhancement. And then from here, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility. Now in here, go down and tap on Object Identifier. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now to use Object Identifier, simply point the camera at something to hear what it is when you activate Bixby Vision in the camera. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.